A few moments ago. Just we go north, there's the lake socked in, and man, up to Guyman. Oh, looks like Guyman just dropped out of there. Come on, Guyman. But anyway, cloudy skies prevail. And look at this. We're going to compare, Allie, temperatures right now to what we had yesterday at this time. We're 20 degrees cooler than this time yesterday in Amarillo, 30 degrees cooler up around Elkhart. What is going on here? Well, we'll get a clue when we look at the weather system there. Kind of a swirl, that's low pressure moving away from us. This generated the severe storms that we had last night, followed up with some non-severe rain there late in the evening. That was nice. But look at this little cloud band right there. That's the cold front that's kind of swinging around the backside of the low. That's where we have the north wind and the much cooler air. Wind straight out of the north, 20 to 30, getting some higher gusts. So with temperatures down in the 60s and the wind kicking up, I mean, it's unseasonably cool out there here for early June. Down around Childress, waiting for the front to come in. You've made it to 89, but you'll start to drop off as that cold front blows on through. So temperatures down, but so is the severe threat, because that's cooler, more stable air. You can see that the risk of heavy weather has shifted off to our east out ahead of that front, where we'll have some storms. Our model run here for tonight, again, you see the storms blowing up off the east. At most, we'll have a couple of scattered thunder showers, probably non-severe, trying to come off the Rockies into our northwest corner, maybe up around Clayton, Boise City, Kenton, those areas, about 10 o'clock. I think it's going to be pretty isolated and, once again, not very intense. Look at this. When we talk about unseasonably cool, tomorrow morning, we're dropping down into the upper 40s, it looks like, from Amarillo to Dumas, Dalhart, Clayton. Probably going to wake up refreshingly cool across the area. The wind will be down, but that'll be kind of a cool start. Then what happens tomorrow? Temperatures start back up. Very pleasant tomorrow. 75 somewhere in there for the afternoon. Ed mentioned high noon on the square. Ought to be nice and lovely. Probably one of the cooler high noons that we'll have throughout the summer season. And storms poised to move back into the forecast pretty soon. Again, quiet tonight, quiet during the day tomorrow. This is tomorrow evening. Looks like we have a round that will come in from the northwest. We'll keep an eye on the intensity. Right now we're expecting scattered thunderstorms, probably most of those non-severe, but we'll keep an eye on that. But rain chances are back generally tomorrow night. Looking ahead, though, what an active weather pattern. We're going to kick those chances back up. It looks like Thursday. We're active over the weekend into next week. And it does look like Thursday, the elements are coming back into place for around. It's pretty heavy weather. It's going to be another first alert day. You know what that means. We've had those off and on every time we go into first alert situation. We do expect some hazards and impacts that can be pretty dangerous. So we'll watch that on Thursday. Look at this. The rain chances go well beyond our 7-day forecast, above normal chances going into the middle part of June. So thunderstorm chances somewhere off and on starting tomorrow all the way through the weekend. Once again, we're going to focus on Thursday, our next first alert day. So make sure that you start to plan accordingly, plan to track along with us.
All righty.